Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 365 on your Windows PC. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to remove any older versions of Microsoft Office installed on your PC. To do this, click on the Windows icon, open Settings, and go to Apps. Click on Installed Apps, search for Office, and uninstall any existing Office applications. As you can see, I don't have any Office applications installed on my PC. Once you've uninstalled any previous version of Office, make sure to restart your PC. Now open your browser and search for Office Customization Tool. Click on the official Microsoft website. First, choose the architecture you want to deploy. If your PC is 64-bit, select 64-bit. If you're using a 32-bit system, select 32-bit. I'll select 64-bit and click Next. In the next step, you'll be asked, which products and apps do you want to deploy? Select Office 365 Enterprise as your product and make sure the latest version of Office is selected. Next, choose the specific applications you want to install. If there are apps you don't need, such as Access, OneDrive Desktop, Outlook, Teams, Publisher, or others, you can uncheck them. Once you've made your selections, click Next. Next, you'll be asked to select your primary language. Choose the language you prefer. In my case, I'll select English, United States, and click Next. For the installation options, leave the settings as they are and click Next. For the activation options, leave the settings as they are and click Next. Continue clicking Next until you reach the final step, then click Finish. Once you're done, go to the right-hand side of the page and click Export to download your XML configuration file. When exporting the XML file, select Office Open XML Formats as the default file type and click OK. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Make sure the file name is set to Configuration and click Export. Now open a new browser tab and search for Office Setup Download. Open the official Microsoft Download page and click Download for Windows. Wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, rename the Office Setup file to Setup. Now, create a new folder on your desktop and name it Office 365. Select both the configuration XML file and the setup file, then copy them into the Office 365 folder. Open the Office 365 folder and copy the folder path. Next, open Windows Search, type CMD. Make sure to select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt type cd, leave a space, then paste the folder path you copied earlier and press Enter. Now type setup/configure configuration.xml, then press Enter. This will launch the Office 365 installation process. The installation is automated, so sit back and let it run. The installation time will depend on your PC and internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you can close Command Prompt. To verify that Office 365 has been installed, click on the Windows icon and open Microsoft Word. You should now see the installed Office version. Sign in with your Microsoft account, or create an account if you don't already have one. If you have a valid Microsoft 365 subscription or product key, you can use it to activate Office and start using the applications. And that's it, everyone. You've successfully downloaded and installed Microsoft Office 365 on your PC. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.